Hey everyone, I'm going to share a 10-step roadmap for absolute beginners that includes all free resources. First things first, you need to understand how computers actually work. Learn the basics of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Know how files are organized, how permissions work, and how to use the command line a little bit. It might sound boring, but trust me, when you start using security tools or building labs, you'll see why this is important. Free resources. Professor Messer's OS videos or beginner Linux tutorials on YouTube. Try installing Linux in a virtual machine, it's safe and helpful to practice. Cybersecurity is all about protecting networks, so you need to know how they work. Focus on the basics. IP addresses, TCP, IP, DNS, routers, switches, firewalls and so on, basically the whole networking map. Think of it like learning the roads before driving a car. The key is to understand the flow of data, not just memorize terms. Free things in 2026 are NetworkCheck's networking playlists or Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate your own network. Next, you have to get familiar with the main ideas behind cybersecurity. Learn about basics like CIA triad and the most common attacks, like malware, phishing, and social engineering. This gives you a mental map of what cybersecurity is protecting and why. Free resources are Cybrary's Intro to Cybersecurity or Professor Messer's Security Plus Fundamentals. You can find more videos on these in YouTube. Once you know how systems work, learn how to protect them. This includes setting proper permissions, keeping systems updated, using authentication, and turning on other OS security features like firewalls and so on. A great way to learn is by experimenting in a virtual lab, break things, then fix them. That's how you really understand security. Even a little programming helps a lot. Python is perfect for beginners. Start with the basics like variables, loops, conditions, reading and writing files. For example, you could write a small script to analyze logs or monitor network activity. Free resources can be found at FreeCodeCamp Python tutorials, or the free online book, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Cybersecurity is hands-on. You can watch all the videos in the world, but you really learn by doing. Try Hack Me and Hack the Box have free labs where you can safely test commands, tools, and attacks. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day of practice will teach you more than hours of theory. Next, get familiar with some tools that security people use. Start simple with tools like Wireshark to see network traffic, Nmap for scanning devices and OpenVOS for checking vulnerabilities. The most important thing is to understand what these tools are doing, not just click buttons. You have to know th purpose so you can use these in different scenarios. Free tutorials can be found from NetworkCheck and Professor Messer on YouTube. Websites are a big target for attackers, so it's useful to understand basic web security. Learn about things like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and authentication issues. Also remember to practice safely. You can use platforms like OWASP WebCode. Here again you need to focus on understanding how attacks work, not just the tools. Now most companies are on the cloud, so cloud security is a must-know. Learn the basics of AWS, Azure or Google Cloud, especially identity management, access control, and monitoring. Try setting up a small cloud instance for free and securing it. Just small exercises teach you a lot. Finally, start documenting what you do. Put your scripts, lab exercises, or projects on GitHub. You can even write small blog posts explaining what you learned. This portfolio shows recruiters or future employers what you can do, even if you haven't paid for certifications yet. The tip here is treat every lab or script as a portfolio piece. Start small, be consistent, practice daily, and keep building your skills. If this roadmap helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to start their cybersecurity journey.